This video is for educational purposes only. For educational purposes only. I'm about to tell you guys, I don't care what it is. Dumps, I don't care if it's the dark web. I don't care if it's CPNs. I don't care whatever it is. If you're scamming people, I'm going to tell you how you get up and started and you can make your first $20,000 scamming people. But I'm not telling y'all how to scam. I'm not telling y'all to scam. I'm just telling you the basics of how you make people believe. It's all about perception. So I'm telling y'all on this video, listen YouTube, I'm telling people how to avoid being scammed. How you know that you're being in a scam. You understand? So if somebody decided to start scamming off of this and make $20,000, I didn't tell y'all how to start it off. But listen, what do we need to build a house? I get straight to the point. You need the foundation first. Then you need the walls. Then you need the roof. It's impossible to build a foundation. Then without the walls, you put the roof up. You got to have some type of order. You can't start with the roof. What's going to hold the roof up while you build the walls and the foundation? It starts with the foundation. So what we hear about, to talk about the foundation. So I'm finna get straight to the point. All right. This is how everybody start off their scams. You have to fake like you're something you're not. That's number one. That's the easiest thing in the world. And I'm going to tell y'all how I pulled off my biggest scam and made over $20,000 and couldn't even get touched. You understand? So y'all got to wait till the end to hear that. But I'm about to go ahead and tell y'all how everybody do it, how you start off the foundation. This is everything you need to not get scammed, or everything you need to start off getting your first 20,000. I didn't say scam. All right. Be something that you're not. Find what people are looking for. Find weak-minded people. And you can tell that by being on any social media platform. Just stay consistent and stay on one niche. I don't care if it's credit repair. People got bad credit. People are always going to need money. People are always going to want to buy things that they need, especially stuff like weight loss, knowledge, wisdom. Y'all will be surprised. So many people into learning how to play a keyboard. So many people learning to how to manifest things. You can sell anything long as people are reaching out for it. You can sell anything. So let's just use it as credit repair, right? What I would do, matter of fact, let me tell you what I done. And this is something that I can't get incriminated for. This is something that I cannot get in trouble for. I ain't never been no snitch, never will be no snitch. I held it down in the streets solid for years until I just got on the other side. You dig what I'm saying? And the other side meaning I just ran my bag up that I ain't have to do that. So I'm not telling y'all to do it. I'm not telling you to not do it. But if you dead broke, it's free to start any social media. If I was y'all, I'm going to tell you exactly what I done, but this was the past me when I was broke about 5-6 years ago. All right. First thing I done, I went to Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. I went to other platforms. I don't think TikTok was out back then. And I changed my names on there to something that was relatable. I changed my name from, my government name to, credit. I ain't gonna say the name that I was using. Why? Because I ain't no snitch. But damn sure ain't finna snitch on myself or nobody else. So, what did I do? Let's just say that I named it, I see Samsung right there. Let's say that I named it Samsung Credit. Now you got regular people that you know asking you, why did you change it to credit? Can you fix credit? Can you do this? Can you do that? See, I was smart enough not to scam the people around me. You understand what I'm saying? So what I used to do was literally this. I used to literally click on a video, right? Right? I used to click on a video. I used to write down everything somebody said. Like, for example, how to repair credit. They say go to Experian, go to Credit Karma. I used to write down everything they said and used to get on camera and used to make it look good. I used to make it look good. I used to dress up. I used to make sure my stuff was trimmed right. You got to look presentable. It's all about perception. Oh my God. Oh my God. So people was like, he looks like he know what he talking about. It's working for him. So now I said, look, I need to buy some subscribers. I need to buy some followers. The bigger you look, the more people want to spend because it look like you're winning. It's all about perceptions, you guys. I was staying at my mom's house. I was broke as fuck. I ain't know nothing about credit. Do y'all know that within 10 days, I went from a regular guy that was broke to a credit repair guru? So once I saw that worked and I made like 10 bands, I know y'all thinking he skipped. How did he make 10 bands? What did I do? I started making all type of stuff. I had fake comments. I had fake views. I had fake stuff. People were saying, thank you, you saved me. So everybody started believing it. And people started actually writing me saying, I know somebody with 200,000 views and 80,000 followers won't scam me. I've been scammed by 80 different people. You won't scam me, would you? And I'll look and I'll be like, of course not. I can't believe that you got scammed and blah, blah, blah. I ran up 10 bands off of telling people I charge you 300. And listen to the knowledge. I didn't do this in July, September, August. No. People usually are broke around those times. I started this business in December to start making them believe. January, they was pretty much logged in. They was pretty much convinced. By February, tax money started coming out. People were sending so many 300s. I got 300. You fixed mine. My girl fixed theirs. By the time that the 30 days was up and the first 200 people start hitting me up saying, hey, where my money at? Where my money at? I done closed out the Cash App that was in somebody else's name. I closed out the whole pages. Why? Because I done made my money. I started a whole new page, same face, same person, and I said if people felt for the credit repair, then watch to the end if I can get to the point for y'all can be like, wow, I understand now. So then I started a whole new channel, whole new pages, whole new social medias with a whole new name. And let's say I named that GTR Racing LLC, right? Or GTR Racing LLC. I said I could start telling people how to get money. Around the time, it was time that people were getting SBA loans, PPP loans. They was getting extra money during the pandemic when COVID first dropped. So I was like, everybody trying to sit home, trying to hustle the government. What I do, I let everybody think that I could get them SBA loans, PPP loans. Why did they believe me? Why? Because I had so many views. I had so many comments. So many people saying, thank you for this. Thank you for that. Thank you for this. Get big pages to shout you out. It's worth it. People believed it and people went off my perception. And by the time they realized they won't get no loans, guess what? I had everybody LLCs. I had everybody information. Now, if I was a grimy motherfucker, you could take this and sell these for CPNs. You understand what I'm saying? You could make big money off people's information. So be careful who you get your information to online. I'm sitting here trying to tell y'all. So after that, I made my third and final page before I got smart and understood how long can you get away with this. I changed everything up. I redid everything, y'all. I put nothing in my name, nothing close to me. People that I got didn't even know. The people that I had addresses and numbers and stuff from the credit I use for the SBAs. The people I had for the SBAs, I'm going to tell y'all about the third business I ran. I ran a business. Let's just say that I named it Tupac. I see Tupac in front of me. Y'all can't see what's in front of me. Y'all see what's behind me. But anyway, let's say if I named it Tupac Corporation. And what did I do the third time, y'all? What I started selling? I started selling straight up hope. Everybody was on that money man, dark web, Bitcoin, NFT, blah, blah, blase. Man, I was selling so many NFTs that were screenshots. I was selling so many this and that, this and that. By the time they caught on to the hustle, I was gone. So then I thought to myself, I said, you can really learn how to repair credit and really get an LLC in your real name and really repair people credit. You can actually show people how to get SBA loans and PPP loans and all of that stuff if you learn it. So that's where Global Drippin came from. Then you can actually show people how to get money, side hustles and stuff if you really show them what you're really doing. So I'm not going to do nothing that has a risk at all. I'm not going to do nothing that can get me fucked up. You understand what I'm telling you? So if I'm telling you something, I'm telling you something that's legit. Take somebody that made almost $1 million off the streets that ain't never done a full day in jail. Has I been locked up? I done been locked up probably 8 or 9 times. But I know it sounds weird. About 5 times I was locked up, it was an accident. I am George Goins III. You understand what I'm telling you? Let's just make up that name. Let's say if your name was the 4th, the 5th, the 3rd, Junior. If they looking for somebody, a lot of times I had to tell them, hey man, that's not me. That's not me, because it really wasn't me. It really wasn't. You got the wrong guy. Do I look like I'm 64? Do I look like I'm 72? Like, y'all stop this. That's not me. And don't matter. But the other 2-3 times I was locked up, I bunded out within seconds. How did I bund out? All the money I made off people. But I never was incarcerated for scamming or for nothing like that. It was just for me getting caught smoking drugs. I got a little weed in the car. Oh, they kicking the door for indictments, little drug charges. You feel what I'm saying? So I never could get nothing like a real job or nothing like that with all my felonies and stuff. So I found a way to hustle the system. And I love to tell y'all, I really made at least about a good 60 or 70,000 off of these little hustles. You feel what I'm saying? So this video is to stop y'all from being hustled. This video is to give y'all an ideal on how y'all can take negative situations or illegal things and turn them into legit things and turn them to successful things. If you're flat broke, it costs nothing to fake it until you make it. See, y'all think y'all just got to fake it by being a rapper, wear fake chains, fake VVV diamonds, fake watches. Nah, you can fake anything till you make it. It's all about perception. So let's just say this. Let's just say this. I still got money from 5 or 6 years ago that people done sent me. You understand what I'm trying to tell you? But you got to cover yourself and be smart about it if you are doing it the wrong way. You understand? You can sell people anything. And if you got a good talk game and you very convincing, you can sell a prostitute some dick. You can sell a fish some water. You can sell a refrigerator some cold air. I bullshit you not. So you guys, this is how not to be scammed. But I probably put the title with something like how to scam perfect. Something like that to get y'all to watch. But y'all do not miss the misconception of how you can take illegal stuff and turn it to legal things just by a couple of LLCs and a couple of knowledge and wisdom that you accumulate. You get what I'm saying? I mean, if you made 100,000 off selling weed, you can make 100,000 off selling t-shirts. You understand what I'm saying? Just apply the street shit to the business shit. You know what I'm saying? Just put your pistol up, put the weed down, put the coke, the heroin down, the dog food. You put that down and pick up something that's legit. That way they can't say nothing. But the only difference is you don't get taxed while you on the streets. You get taxes whenever you're doing it legit. That's the only reason why the thing is illegal is not legal, because they can't tax it legally. Don't let that go over y'all head. But y'all go ahead and subscribe, man. Let's run it up. I'll holler. Gang.